Hey, it's Steve with the Lmt Forex Formula results for week 4. You can check out our results, our review, videos, etc. at lmtforexformulareview.com. You can check out our brokerage statements at this website right here. And finally, you can check out our bonuses at lmtforexformulabonus.com. So if you haven't purchased LMT yet, now's a great time to do it. We had a couple of trades. Dan will talk to you about those trades in depth. But I wanted to wish you happy trading week. Take care. Here's Dan with the results.
Hi, this is Dan with the Lmt Forex Formula weekly update. Well, we had 2 trade setups this week, so let's see what happened with them. We'll start by looking at the Euro Canadian dollar chart. On the 9th, we had a signal to sell this pair, and so we went ahead and sold it. Later that trading day, it actually hit our initial target, so we moved the stop loss to a break even, and then later on it did come back and take us out of the trade with no gain. We're trading this very aggressively. Another way to trade this is to be more conservative and to take profit at the initial target, in which case that would have been a win for anybody trading that way. And now we're looking at the pound yen chart. And on the 11th, we got a signal to enter the trade as a buy. We bought the pair. And again, later that day, we did get the signal to move the trade to break even. We hit the initial target. And later on, then on the 12th, we did actually get taken out of the trade again at a break even. And once again, if you'd been trading this more conservatively, you would have gotten the initial target for profit. Because we're going for bigger wins, we let the trade ride, and it did come back and take us out of the trade. Here we're looking at the statement for all the transactions that have happened with our live account so far. Again, the one with the minus $7.15, that was a mistake because it's a pair that I should not have entered, and I got out of it right away. But you can see again that we have 3 break-even trades, including the 2 for this week. One of the reasons I'm showing you all of the trades that have happened, to point out that people who are trading this more conservatively are actually doing very well. On the 3 trades here, if you had just simply taken the profit at the initial target, they would be up about 250 pips, or in this case, about $200 or 20% of the account. And I have heard from several people who are trading this very conservatively and are doing very well. Very pleased with how the results have been. So there are people out there doing just that. But again, we're trading this more aggressively. We're looking for the big ones, the big 1,000 pip wins. And hopefully we'll have one of those trades in the near future. And I just want to show you the demo account. I didn't put any trades in the demo account. The demo account is simply here to show additional trades because we're using the stance of we would only want one live trade open that isn't at break even or a free trade. But we do want to track any other potential trades, and that did not happen this week. So you can just see here that that did not happen. Again, we did have the one trade that did end up being up over 300 pips and would have increased the account by about 18% had we taken that in the live account. And I want to thank everybody who is sending in their results with the LMT Forex program, how they're using it. There are a lot of different ways that people are using it. There's been some very good successes on the 4-hour charts. This last week wasn't as good as the week before, but I would say I still had about 70% of the people that were trading the Forex chart had positive weeks, and about 30% didn't have quite as good weeks. So please keep those emails coming in. I do appreciate those. Well, that's about all I have for this week on the update, and I hope you'll join us again next week.